Nowadays, everyone craves for having the best food processor blender combo in their kitchen. Not only does it take less space than two separate machines, but it's also a good investment for long-term use. However, how can you be aware of what the best food processor blender is? And which factors should you depend on when choosing one for yourself? There are many products available to choose food processor blender combo, each with specific characteristics, benefits, and prices. To assist you make a knowledgeable decision, I did substantial research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a listing of the best food processor blender combo from reliable brands. After an awful lot of research, I located these merchandise an awful lot beneficial for human beings like you. If you desire to know about the price and different information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja BL 770 1500 watt. In terms of quality, hardly any product can beat this Ninja BL 770 food processor blender combo. Ninja has always been famous for its premium machines, so there's no doubt about this product. With its 1500 watt motor strength, this machine can easily blend and process anything, including ice or hard fruits like guava. So, if you love making a guava-flavored dish like guava smoothie, this product is the go-to choice. It'll make preparing guava much easier. What's more, it even has suction cups on the bottom to keep itself from slipping and locking lids for safety. Also, those who hold large gatherings need to get this combo right away, as it comes with an 8-cup bowl, which is a super big size, suitable to contain large quantities of foods. Number 2. Ninja SS 351 1400 watt. If you want a machine that can process heavy food, this Ninja SS 351 product should be on top of your list. This product also has various bowls with 3 different sizes, so you can choose them depending on the amount of food you want to make. They are all easy to remove and can be washed in the dishwasher. Its Smart Torque technology lets it easily blend all the dense ingredients without getting stuck or stalled. Not to mention, 6 Auto IQ preset programs allow you to make smoothies and dough with the smoothest texture possible. Features: peak motor strength is at 1400 watts. Smart Torque technology, 6 Auto IQ preset programs with variable speed control. 4-in-1 system. Dishwasher safe. Number 3. Vitamix A2300 Ascent Smart. If the Hamilton Beach product is for people with tight budgets, this Vitamix A2300 Ascent machine really belongs to the high price class. Some people may look at its cost and run away, but let me tell you this machine's worth every dollar you spend. Additionally, the Vitamix food processor blender combo provides you with 10 speed settings with a pulse setting, so you can choose whichever is suitable for your dish. However, one little minus point is that these settings aren't labeled clearly enough for beginners to use. What sets this product apart from other combos is its smart features. One of those is the programmable timer, allowing every dish to come out ideally. Not to mention, this time can self-adjust based on the container's size. Number 4. Cuisinart BFP 650 GM Velocity Ultra Trio. Aside from these brands, Cuisinart is also a reliable brand in household and kitchen appliances, and this food processor blender combo is one of its superior products. With a 1-horsepower motor, this machine can efficiently process the whole fruit thanks to its sharp blades made of stainless steel. You can even pre-program this product beforehand so that you can have more time for your cooking. Also, this Cuisinart BFP 650 GM combo comes with 2 16-ounces travel cups so that you can bring your smoothies to every outdoor activity. Number 5. Ninja BN 801. This Ninja BN 801 combo was born to make frozen drinks. First off, its motor power is 1400 watts at peak, so it can crush ice cubes easily. So if you can decide what blender is best for making green smoothies, why not opt for this powerful combo instead? Not to mention, this machine has 5 preset settings for smoothies and drinks, accompanied by 3 other manual settings. Thus, the result will come out just exactly like how you want it. Besides, the Ninja BN 801 combo also features an Auto IQ program, making things even easier for you. And it doesn't stop with just drinks. Aside from chopping blades, you can also find dough blades, hook, and paddle in this machine. So, making dough is 100% possible with this product, a feature that you can't find in other brands. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want more facts or if you want to understand product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your lifestyles a good deal easier.